I decided to change out all the ceiling tiles with the decorative kind, which are made out of PVC. I decided to install both the regular Armstrong replacement tiles and the new PVC tiles that I bought. Other than the 3 tiles, which were whole tiles, the rest are smaller pieces that need to be cut to size. So now I'm going to show you how to cut the tiles. I've made a notch right here, and I made another notch at the other end to mark where to draw the line. I'm just drawing the line using a ballpoint pen on the underside of the tile. These are the scissors I'm using to cut along the line, but you can use other types of scissors. I'm cutting slowly because this is my first time doing it and I don't want to crack or chip the tile. Now I'm going to show you how to cut regular ceiling tiles. I'm just marking the line for where I need to cut so that this tile can be paired with the PVC tile. I used a utility knife with a new blade to cut along the line only about halfway deep into the tile, and this was very easy because the tile is actually quite soft and easy to cut. Then I just snapped it into 2 by folding the tile along the cut line. This is what the edge looks like. It's not very clean, but that doesn't matter because you can't see the edges when the tile is installed. Now, if this bothers you, you can just run the knife through 2 times and you will get a much cleaner cut. Here's a close-up of the utility knife. It's from the dollar store. Now, PVC that's been cut will be missing the outer edge that holds the tile up. So I decided to glue it using construction glue to the regular tile that I was going to install on top of it, which fixed this problem. You'll see at the end of this video what the tiles that had to be cut into pieces look like. As I've said, except for the 3 tiles in the middle of the ceiling, all other tiles along the walls had to be cut into smaller pieces. What I should point out is that I cut the regular tile to extend about 1/3 of an inch beyond the cut PVC tile. So here is the final outcome of my ceiling tile replacement. I think it turned out better than I had expected.